Want a quick and easy way to get more guests into your restaurant using just photos of your incredible food? My name is Rev Ciancio, and I'm both a restaurant owner and a hospitality marketing consultant. I'm working with Google to tell you about features that your restaurant can use to grow your business. 43% of final restaurant decisions are made after looking at the menu. That basically means about 1 out of 2 people who end up on the Google business profile for your restaurant decide to dine with you after they look at your menu. And 82% of people order a dish because of how it looks in a picture. That means photos of your food are crucial for your success. If people can just see your eye-popping and mouth-watering food, they'll want to come dine with you. And here's an important hack. In addition to adding photos of your food to your Google business profile, you should also upload photos of your actual menu. Your customers are already doing this, and those menu photos do get engagement. So you'll want to do it yourself to ensure that the menus are not only up to date, but not blurry. To see photos of menu items, number 1, navigate to your business profile. Number 2, find the menu icon. Number 3, if you already have menu items, click on Edit. Number 4, click Select Photos or drag photos in from your desktop. It's that easy. Want to learn more? Go to Google support page for restaurants for step-by-step instructions and many other features. The link is down below in the comments. Want more restaurant marketing tips and tricks from me? Follow my free newsletter at restaurantsgrow.tv or send me a DM on social media.